To date, both Jamaica and Barbados have made down payments to obtain vaccines through the COVAX facility, a procurement vaccine mechanism which promises equitable access to third world countries. Officials in Barbados in December 2020 stated that although a deposit of $1.2 million was made through the COVAX facility, there is still much work to be executed before the vaccine could be offered to the public of Barbados. Similarly, it was disclosed that Jamaica had made a down payment of approximately $1.1 million through the Caribbean Public Health Agency to procure a COVID-19 vaccine for its population. However, locally, health authorities have maintained that Guyana will access the first set of vaccines free. Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony on Tuesday revealed that the ministry, having submitted the requisite documents to COVAX, is awaiting a response on when the vaccines will become available to Guyana.
Initially, they were looking at the second quarter to start rolling out the vaccines to different countries. They have told us that they would like to start earlier, and they have asked countries pertaining to their readiness and asked us to submit some documentation, which we did.
He noted that if COVAX manages the vaccination rollout early enough, some countries might be able to access vaccines as early as February.
This would be a first wave in very limited quantities, perhaps to test the system to see how the logistics and everything is working. And once that is verified, then we'll see larger amounts of vaccines being rolled out in the second quarter and maybe the third quarter. The first 3% we expect to get maybe by the second quarter.
Back in October 2020, Dr. Anthony had indicated that the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization, Gavi, will be paying for Guyana's first doses of vaccines.
We, however, have been able to benefit under a different scheme. So we were not required to pay because there are 10 countries in the Caribbean that Gavi is going to pay for. And they're going to take care of our initial costs for vaccines.
Nonetheless, it is unclear whether there has been a down payment for Guyana and the sum paid, even as reports of rich countries hoarding doses of COVID vaccines and people living in poor countries are set to miss out, continue to circulate. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.